Getting started with Python for free.
Python is one of the easiest programming languages for beginners. Many free resources are available online to help you get started. Whether you want interactive lessons, videos, or written tutorials, there's something for every learning style. In this video, we highlight trusted, high-quality sources to kickstart your Python journey without spending a dime.
Python.org, the official tutorials.
The official Python website offers beginner-friendly tutorials covering the basics. Start with their Python for Beginners section, which explains how to install Python, write your first program, and understand basic syntax. These guides are kept up to date by the Python community, making them a reliable starting point.
Codecademy, hands-on learning.
Codecademy offers a popular, interactive Python course that's free for beginners. Work through real coding exercises in your browser and get immediate feedback. This hands-on approach helps strengthen your understanding of concepts like variables, loops, and functions, making it ideal for those new to coding.
Coursera and edX university-level content.
Platforms like Coursera and edX provide free Python courses from top universities, such as the University of Michigan's Python for Everybody. These courses often include video lectures, quizzes, and reading materials. You can access most course content for free, making it possible to learn at your own pace.
YouTube, visual learning with free Python tutorials.
There are many free Python tutorials on YouTube. Channels like Corey Schaefer, Free Code Camp, and Programming with Mosh break down Python concepts step by step. Full-length beginner courses and topic-specific guides make YouTube a flexible learning platform for visual learners.
W3 Schools and Real Python, quick references and deeper guides.
WordPress is a concise, easy-to-follow Python tutorials and interactive examples, perfect for quick lookups. For more detailed explanations, Real Python provides in-depth articles and guides for beginners. Both resources are regularly updated and widely trusted in the programming community.
Choosing the best path for you.
All these resources can help you build a strong Python foundation for free. Try out a few to see which matches your learning style. Whether you prefer written guides, videos, or coding exercises, there's a resource that fits your needs. Happy learning, and good luck with your Python journey.